What's going on, guys? Crypto farm. Today we're gonna be taking a look of how to transfer your crypto from Coinbase app into Binance exchange wallet. As some of us are beginner in this crypto space, and this can be complicated if we don't have much knowledge or someone to put us through. And in this crypto space, if you make a mistake in sending your token into wrong address, this will lead to permanent loss of your assets. And that's why I advise you to watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to be showing you step by step to send any of your token from one wallet into another without losing your investment, especially in using Coinbase and Binance exchange. So make sure to watch this video to the very end. I'm going to be showing you all this. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first of all, you want to open up the Coinbase app. As you can see right there, I'm going to be accessing it. As you can see right now, we are now on the Coinbase app where you can perform this action. You can transfer any of your token in different way in Coinbase. Right in Coinbase, you can transfer your token to Binance exchange in two different ways, which I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. So now you want to scroll up right here. As you can see, we have this option of send. So you can use this option right here that says send. As you can see, then you want to select any of the token which you want to transfer to Binance, and choose any of the token which you want to transfer to Binance, or you want to come down to this aspect right here as that say pay. This option is still the same thing. You want to see these two options down below that say receive or send. So when you choose send, it's still going to be showing you that same platform I just reviewed. So what you want to do now before you started sending is that you want to confirm which of the address that you want to send your crypto to. So you don't want to make mistake in sending your tokens into wrong address, which might lead to permanent loss of your investments. So you want to make sure you stick around to the end of this video, because I'm going to be showing you all necessary steps to take whenever you want to transfer any of your token. So what you want to do now is you want to go back right here to this home screen right here for Coinbase app. Then what you want to do right now is to minimize this and go to Binance. As you can see right now, we are now on the Binance. So what you want to do now is to go to your wallet down below right here. As you can see, we have these three options right here. We have deposit, we have withdraw, and we have transfer. So now, because I want to deposit, which means I'm sending my token from Coinbase to Binance, so I'm going to be choosing the deposit. But at the beginning, I want to transfer my token from Binance to Coinbase, I'm going to be choosing withdraw. But now we are going to be choosing the deposit. So I'm going to be clicking on the deposit right here. As you can see, there are two options. We have the crypto and we have the fiat. As you can see, the fiat is just like a money that you want to transfer your money direct into Coinbase. Maybe you want to transfer your USDC and so many more right there. So, but the one we're going to be taking that, we want to transfer our crypto. So we want to click on crypto right here. So as you can see right now, this is going to be showing you a bunch of a crypto wallet which you can get their address and send your token to them. So now, as you can see right now, so for example, let's say I want to transfer my Dogecoin from Coinbase into my Binance exchange. What I want to do is to come down to this top right here that says search, and I'm going to be searching for Dogecoin. You can do that by scrolling, but I just want to make everything snappy so you can understand. So now, as you can see, I've choose Doge. I'm going to click on Doge because I want to get the right address for the Dogecoins where I can transfer my Dogecoin I have on my Coinbase to my Binance exchange. And you can do this for literally all the token. As you can see right now, I want you guys to pay more attention to this, because I'm going to be explaining all this network one after the other. Because once you choose the wrong network, this is going to be what making you lose your crypto assets permanently. You are not going to be retrieving them again. It's unretrievable. So you want to make sure you pay attention. The first network says the Dogecoin. So this basically like you sending Bitcoin to Bitcoin without using any extension or chains. So if you are using any extension or chain, you want to understand which of the chain is it. Binance Beacon chain or the smart chain network. So which of it you have to understand. So but if you are sending from Coinbase app to Binance exchange, you want to make sure that the coin has its own network also. So I'm going to be showing you how you see which of the network you want to send it to. So now, as you can see, you have the Doge network, we have the BNB Beacon chain, and we have the BNB Smart chain. So the one you're going to be choosing is Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is just a literary a network because it's not an extension or you are not using a smart chain connect. So that is why you have to choose the Doge. If it's Bitcoin, you also have the option for Bitcoin also without having any smart chain or any extension whatsoever. So as you can see, it's going to be giving you some description right here that minimum deposit you have to deposit is about 0.00001 of Doge, and expected arrival is 6 network confirmations, which is going to be going through a lot of network confirmation to make sure this transaction is well accessible and processed. And also you have expected unlock, which is 50 network confirms. This also implies how this token is going to be arrived at fast rate. So what we're going to be doing now is that you want to copy up this wallet address. You want to make sure you are copying it using this copy button right here. Don't try to copy by pasting, you might lose some of the address digits. So make sure you are copying from this button in the right hand side, or wherever you have another phone, you can just snap this picture at this top right here. This also is a Doge address, but in a code, so you can do that. So I'm going to be copying this. As you can see, it's a wallet address copied. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be going back to my Coinbase account. All right, as you can see, I told you can do it in 2 ways. You can either use this send option right here, or you can also use this pay option right here and choose send. It's still the same thing. So what you want to do now is to come down to this option right here, click on it, and you want to select which of the assets. So let's say I don't see Dogecoin right here. You can search right here, same way you do for in Binance Exchange. As you can see, I'm going to click Doge. So now it has changed to Doge. So what you want to do now is to put in the amount of Doge in terms of dollar, or whether you know the amount of quantity you want to send. You can click on this arrow that says you can change it whatever way. So let's say I want to send 7 Doge. 7 Doge costs over 0.89. So if that is the amount you want to send, just make sure you confirm the amount that you want to send. So all you have to do is to click on continue. As you can see right now, it's gonna be giving you this option right here. As you can see, that say where do you want to send this token to. So you want to come down and hold and paste the address which you copy from the Binance address for the Doge. So you want to click on paste. As you can see right now, I've pasted that Doge wallet address which I've copied from Binance app. So what I'm going to be doing now is to click on preview send. As you can see right now, this is what you need to know. And some of us using the Coinbase app doesn't know what the network fee actually mean. Some of us think maybe it's a very heavy fee, which some of us will feel like you don't want to use Coinbase as your exchange. So I'm going to be explaining this for you, and we're going to be doing the calculations. So as you can see, the Coinbase fee is 0. They are not taking any fee as Coinbase. And as you can see, the network fee, which is going to be processing this transaction for you, is going to be taking about 1.44 Doge, and total is going to be sending is 1.07. So what we're going to be doing now is I'm going to be quickly run you through how much does the network fee for this transaction is going to be costing, so you as well can also do the math on your own. So let's open up the coin calculator. So as you can see right now, the network fee is going to be charging you 1.44, as you can see from the Coinbase. And if we put the 1.44, as you can see, it's going to be charging you as low as this 0.18. It's going to be charging you as low as this. So that is to tell you that the fee is very minimal, as you can see right now. So what you want to do now is to send now, to click on the send now button and make sure you accept it with your passcode. As you can see, they're going to be sending you a link for verification to your verified phone number which you use, which I'm going to be doing right now. So I have the code. I'm going to be pasting it right here, as you can see. Then I'm going to be clicking submit. So the transaction is going to be loading, and once this transaction done, it's going to be seeing, it said successful sent 7 Doge, and you're going to be clicking done, or you can preview the order. You can view the order, as you can see. So these are the order. As you can see, price per coin is 0.13, which is 1 of the Dogecoin, and the fee is that, and it's going to be showing you the summary of this transaction. So you want to minimize to Binance back, and you want to go to your wallet right here. As you can see right now, this is saying that the deposit of Doge is in process 45 seconds ago. Right now, as you can see, it's telling you that this information, this transaction has been in process. So if you want to see if it has arrived, you want to come to spot wallet and you want to see if your Doge has already increased. You can refresh this page so you can get the new update, and if it's still on process, you want to see this is telling you that deposit of the Dogecoin is in process. That is to tell you that the transaction is in process. So I'm going to be showing you once this arrived. It's not going to be taking a lot of time because it's a speed network of transaction. As you can see, we have 33 seconds ago which I make the transaction. So let me refresh this and let me see if it has entered. So all right, as you can see, this has already arrived into my wallet right here. So right now the asset has arrived after I have refreshed it. As you can see right now, I have 8.0522843 Dogecoin, which is about $1.02 of the what. Already I have one Doge before, so the 7 Doge which I sent included. So as you can see, you're gonna be getting a message pop up right here. As you can see, it said Coinbase, you sent 8.440 Doge, including the network fee, which is about 144. So I'm sending about 7, and the network fee is included. That is why it's about 8.4400. And as you can see, the transaction deposit is successful right now. As you can see, you have successful deposit 7.00, which is about 7 Doge I've sent to Binance. So the network fee has been deducted, so I'm only having the 7 Doge in my Binance wallet right here. So as you can see it right now, so let's go back to the Coinbase and see if they've actually deducted, which they will actually deduct. So I'm going to go into my assets right here. Click on your asset, then you want to go to see more. So I'm going to be scrolling down. As you can see, I have about 9 Doge before, so now they've removed 8, including the network fee. I sent 7 and network fee is added. So hope you guys gained value out of this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want me to show you guys how you can transfer from Binance to a Coinbase account, so let me know down in the comment section. And also if you want me to also do another tutorial on how you can receive also from Coinbase to Binance, whichever one, just let me know down in the comment section and I'll be glad to make tutorial about that. So hit the like button, subscribe, because it helps this video to reach more people on YouTube platform. So, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace, love you guys, crypto family.